Hey plant lovers, today we are tackling a big mystery. My Alocasia Polly has been looking sad with leaves turning yellow even though I have been giving it all the care it needs. So let's see what's going on. Could it be the soil, the pot size, or maybe these little guys I found while repotting? Corms, yes, I'm talking about corms. Stick with me as we troubleshoot the yellowing, repot into a fresh mix, and get into corm propagation so we can bring this beauty back to life. Let's dive in. Alright, let's start by looking at some common reasons why alocasia leaves might turn yellow. This is critical step to avoid future yellowing. Here are a few culprits. Overwatering, पानी ज़्यादा देना एलोकेशिया के रूट्स को सफोकेट कर सकता है, leading to yellowing. Second, insufficient light. Alocasia love bright indirect light. If they are too shaded, they will lose their vibrant color. Third is nutrient deficiency. Alocasia needs a nutrient-rich environment. Without it, leaves can start yellowing over time. And fourth, pot-bound roots. Roots need space to grow. If they are cramped, it can lead to stress and yellowing leaves. In my case, I think it's a mix of needing fresh soil and a bigger pot. So let's repot and give this plant the boost it needs. Alocasia Polly does best in a light, well-draining mix that retain moisture without becoming waterlogged. Here's the blend I'm using. I'm using coco coir 50%. It acts as a lightweight base and retains just the right amount of moisture. Perlite 20%. It helps with drainage so roots don't sit in water. Orchid bark 15%. It adds aeration, letting roots breathe. And fourth is vermicompost, which provides essential nutrients for healthy growth. This blend mimics alocasia's natural environment, giving it moisture, nutrient, and plenty of air circulation. So let's repot. This alocasia has been potted up in soilless mix. So I'm also giving it fresh soilless mix. I'm not using any soil here. As I gently remove the plant and loosen the old soil, look what I found. Lots of corms. Now here's an interesting tip. These corms are essentially baby plant, and sometimes if too many corms are left with the mother plant, they can actually drain energy from it, causing yellow leaves. Now let's quickly repot this alocasia into a fresh mix that will give it a healthy new start. Once that's done, I'll take you through the complete step-by-step method of propagating alocasia corms along with essential care tips to ensure successful growth. So stay tuned till the end. So guys, here I have chosen a slightly larger pot for repotting my Alocasia Polly, and going up just one size ensures there's enough room for the roots to grow without overwhelming the plant with too much soil. A pot that's too large can hold excess moisture, which may lead to root rot. This way the plant gets the perfect balance of space and drainage, promoting healthy, steady growth. Now that we have separated the corms, I'll show you how to propagate them. Corm propagation is simple but has a few important steps. First, gently remove the outer layer of the corm to help new growth emerge faster. Now place each peeled corm in moist sphagnum moss, which holds just the right amount of moisture for root development. But remember here that moss should not be soaked wet. It should be just moist, and remove the excess water from it. While planting the corms, make sure to place the pointy tip facing upward. This is where the new growth will emerge, so it's important to orient it correctly. The rounded side should be in the contact with the moss or soil, ensuring proper rooting. Next, cover the corms with a transparent lid or jar to keep humidity high. Keep them in warm, bright spot but out of direct sunlight. In about 2 to 4 weeks, you will start seeing little leaves sprouting. It's like a whole new plant family is growing before your eyes. And here's an update on some corms I propagated a few months back. They have developed multiple sets of leaves and look so healthy. Watching these little guys grow has been so rewarding for me. So that's it. Repotting, troubleshooting and corm propagation all in one go. If you have noticed yellowing leaves on your Alocasia, try repotting and checking for corms. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share with fellow plant parents. Drop a comment with your Alocasia experiences. I would love to hear your stories. Before we wrap up, here's what's coming up next week. In my next video, I will be talking all about Aglaonema winter care, how to keep these beautiful plants thriving during the colder months. Plus, I will be giving you a tour of all the Aglaonemas in my collection. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Until next time, happy planting!